Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter at home. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of roasted peanuts, 1 to 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil like vegetable or peanut oil, and a small pinch of salt. Make sure your peanuts are already roasted and unsalted, as this gives you more control over the final taste. A good food processor or a high-speed blender is essential for achieving that creamy texture. Now, let's get blending. Add your roasted peanuts to the food processor. Begin processing, and you will notice the peanuts transform. Initially, they will become fine crumbs, then clump into a ball, and finally, after about 3 to 5 minutes, they will release their natural oils and turn into a thick, pasty consistency. Remember to pause and scrape down the sides of the bowl every minute or so to ensure everything blends evenly. Once you have a thick paste, it is time to fine-tune the consistency and flavor. If your peanut butter is too thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of your chosen oil, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches your preferred creaminess. Stir in a small pinch of salt to really bring out the rich peanut taste. For a touch of sweetness, consider adding 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, blending until fully combined. Congratulations, you have just made delicious homemade peanut butter. Transfer your freshly made peanut butter into a clean, airtight container. It will stay fresh in the refrigerator for approximately 2 to 3 weeks. This homemade version is free from added sugars and preservatives often found in store-bought brands. Enjoy your creamy, flavorful creation on toast, with fruit, or as an ingredient in your favorite recipes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.